In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Stripe payment gateway to your Next.js application. Whether you're building an e-commerce site or simply want to facilitate transactions, integrating Stripe is a crucial step. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to head over to your Stripe dashboard. If you haven't already signed up for a Stripe account, make sure to do so. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of your Stripe dashboard. You'll notice a gear icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking this will open up your Stripe settings. From these settings, look for the Developer section. This area is where you will manage the API keys necessary for your integration. Click on Developer and then proceed to Manage API. It's important to note that API keys are the bridge connecting your Next.js application to Stripe services. Once you're in the Manage API section, you'll find two critical pieces of information: your publishable key and your secret key. The publishable key is used on the front end of your application, allowing you to initiate Stripe checkout sessions. On the other hand, the secret key should be kept confidential and used only on your server or backend, as it provides full access to your Stripe account. These keys are fundamental to adding Stripe to your Next.js project, so make sure to handle them with care. Now, let's briefly discuss how to implement these keys in your Next.js setup. In your Next.js project, you'll typically need to install the Stripe library using npm or yarn. This can be done with a simple command such as npm install @stripe/stripe-js for the front end and npm install stripe for the back end. These libraries help in establishing a connection to Stripe using the keys you retrieved. On the front end, you'll integrate the publishable key with your checkout component, allowing users to enter their payment information securely. Meanwhile, on your server side, you'll use the secret key to create payment intents. This setup ensures that sensitive card information is never stored on your server, but is handled directly by Stripe. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Stripe into your Next.js application, providing a secure and efficient payment solution for your users. Remember to thoroughly test the integration in Stripe's test mode to ensure everything functions correctly before going live. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding!